Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Parmar and I welcome you to Volkswagen Downtown Mumbai, the safe and sanitized showroom. Today I am here with a limited crew around me, hence I am wearing a mask. But for the purpose of the video, I won't be using this mask, but I urge each and every one of you to wear a mask when you are in a public place or in the office. I'll be taking you today towards the journey of the Volkswagen Vento. Be like a TSI. This engine what we have here, or rather the car, very first time Volkswagen has introduced a manual transmission with a turbocharged petrol engine. This beautiful machine generates a power on a 1 liter engine of 110 PS at between a range of 5000 to 5500 RPM. At the same time, the torque, that is the pulling capacity of the car, is 175 Nm, which starts at a very low RPM of 1500 RPM and goes till 4100 RPM. So even if you're in bumper to bumper traffic, you will never get tired of driving this car. One important thing what I need to tell you is, look at the way these headlamps are designed and the LEDs are designed. They look beautiful when you're driving the car at night. To accommodate the headlamps, we also have given you nice front fog lamps which help you in cornering when you're taking a very sharp turn. Also, in the new Volkswagen Vento, we have also given you front claddings, which gives you a look of a race car. Now coming to you over on the sides, I can show you good bulges over here on the sides. So when you're driving the car on a muddy area, the mud wouldn't come on the windscreen, but will get covered over here, which helps in your better driving position. On the sides, talking about your wheels, we've got a nice 16-inch grey Potago alloy wheels with tubeless tires. Amazing dynamics to drive the car. Now, you must have observed people in Mumbai specifically, when they are on their bikes, they tend to hit the car. So, let's say if somebody is coming over here riding a bike, they come here and hit the car. Most of the times, the mirrors will break. But in our car, it doesn't happen like that, still intact. The most unique thing about Volkswagen is our laser welding technology. You must have seen most of the manufacturers' car, there's a thick rubber beading which is kept over here. But in the Volkswagen, we make our cars with a single laser welded technology. So it gives you better strength and better rigidity when you're driving the car on a highway. You must have seen most of the times the car is not aligned evenly. Every Volkswagen is properly aligned. Look at this. Straight, smooth lines. Coming over here on the sides, come, I'll show you something. You see this? Beautiful design of chrome on the handles. Very unique feature what Volkswagen India gives. Closing of windows was never so easy. With the new Volkswagen Vento, you can close the windows with the help of your remote key. Very simple. Just hold the key for 10 seconds and the windows will roll up. Also, you wouldn't have seen a build quality like what Volkswagen offers. Haven't you heard? Look. Do you hear that sound? Wasn't it exciting? Now look at this. Have you ever seen somebody standing on the door of a car? Not yet. Let me show it to you. I am 65 kilos and I am standing on the door of Volkswagen Vento. And that's how strong the Volkswagen is. Now let me show you the rear part of the car. An amazing design by Volkswagen. A lot of chrome on the rear boot. Looks very elegant. At the same time, if you look at the rear bumper, beautiful diffuser fitted on the rear bumper over here, which gives a sporty look to the car. And very unique thing, a 3D effect tail lamp. Looks decent, looks elegant, and gives you great view when you're driving the car at night. Also, a beautiful Volkswagen emblem kept over here. To open the boot, it's very simple. You can open the boot with a little touch right over here, which opens the boot. That's called the soft touch release. Amazing boot space of 495 liters. Easy for you to take your car out on a long vacation or a long drive. Easily, 2 big suitcases can come in this car very easily. At the same time, when you are on a highway, you seem to brake suddenly. There is a rear intrusion bar given behind in the car to protect the luggage of hitting the rear sitting passengers. Again, there is a light given over here which is useful when you drive the car at night or when you park your car in the evening time and there is no light in the surroundings. It is easier for you to remove your luggage right from the car. Also, the car comes with beautiful rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, which makes it very easy to park the car. Now, the most important thing about the rear seat, how the rear seat feels like. Come, I'll show you how the rear seating feels like. First, look at the way the door opens. Wide opening of the door. Also, talking about the leg space, there's plenty of leg space what the Volkswagen Vento offers. Look over here, how much leg space I have. I can sit very comfortably inside the car. At the same time, I've got enough under-thigh support to support my thighs. This helps me when I'm going out on the car for a long drive. I can spend 2 to 3 hours or more than that very easily sitting in the rear seat. Just for information, we also have a rear AC vent and also a rear cup holder. Talking about the rear leg space, we have a fantastic feature in our car called as Space Max Seating, or you can say SMS. Let me show you how you can use it. Let's say I'm sitting over here and my driver is driving the car. I can just pull up this lever over here like this. I'll push the seat in the front. Now I can have plenty of leg space which I can utilize sitting in the rear seat. Now let me show you the driver's side seat. Again, wide opening of the doors. 2 and 3. Come. Our Volkswagen Vento is safe and sanitized. A lot of features in the interiors what we can discuss. Starting right from here, height adjustment seat for the driver's side. Multiple people can use the driving seat at the same time. A beautifully crafted flat bottom steering wheel, which at the same time is leather finish, has got controls for music system and multifunction display, and also is tilt and telescopic. The way you operate, pull this lever down, that's tilt and telescopic. The Volkswagen Vento has got beautiful features in the interiors. If you talk about the music system screen, it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also use the navigation of your phone right in the music system screen. The Volkswagen Vento comes with a leather-finished steering wheel with flat bottom, which gives a sportier drive. At the same time, we've got functions on the steering wheel for music system, a multifunction display, and to get a call. You can answer a call by just pressing one single button.
A design marvelous of unprecedented performance, the Volkswagen Vento TSI, which is a power of 110 PS and yet delivers 17.69 kilometers per liter. Surely, it is not a petrol guzzler, leaving you plenty more to play with while you set the road on fire, and a new 6-speed manual transmission that truly hands you the reins.
The Volkswagen Vento also comes with a peace of mind with the new Forever Care package, which covers 4 years silent warranty on the car, which covers 4 years or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier. It also comes with the 4 years roadside assistance within covered limits. Also, you get 3 labor-free service at an interval of 1,000, 7,500 or 15,000 kilometers, whichever is earlier. A complete peace of mind from Volkswagen. As safe as your home, Volkswagen Downtown, Mumbai.